The portable power station with solar panel 40W offers a practical solution for those who require a reliable power source while on the go. Ideal for camping trips, outdoor adventures, or even as a backup during power outages, this solar generator comes equipped with a 300W capacity. Its design prioritizes portability, making it easy to transport wherever it may be needed. At first glance, the power station is compact and lightweight, which is a notable feature for users who prioritize mobility. The accompanying solar panel, rated at 40W, is designed to harness solar energy, making it an environmentally friendly option for powering devices. This dual functionality allows users to recharge the power station either through sunlight or via standard AC outlets, providing flexibility depending on the situation. The power station includes multiple output options, such as AC outlets, USB ports, and DC ports. This variety enables users to charge or power a range of devices from smartphones and laptops to small appliances. The versatility offered by these ports is particularly beneficial for individuals who rely on several devices simultaneously, ensuring that they can keep their essential items running, regardless of location. In terms of usability, the portable power station is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The interface is straightforward, allowing for easy operation even for those who may not be tech-savvy. Additionally, the solar panel's setup is uncomplicated, making it accessible for users without extensive experience in solar technology. While utilizing the power station, users may appreciate its silent operation, particularly in outdoor settings where noise can disrupt the ambience. Furthermore, the inclusion of safety features, such as overcharge protection and temperature control, adds an element of security, ensuring that both the device and connected equipment are safeguarded during use. In conclusion, the portable power station with solar panel 40W is a resourceful option for individuals seeking a dependable power source away from conventional electricity. Its compact design, multiple output options, and ease of use make it suitable for a variety of applications, from outdoor activities to emergency situations. As with any power solution, it is beneficial to assess individual power needs to determine how well this portable station aligns with specific requirements, ensuring an informed decision for potential users.